Welcome people, it's your girl Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I wash my crochet hair. So this is currently what my crochet hair looks like. There is quite a few knottings, so it looks kind of crazy right now. It is matting up, as you guys can see, and it has a little bit of frizz going on, and my edges are dirty. It's looking terrible. Like, my hair just needs to be washed. So this is what it currently looks like, and I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it up a little bit to wear it for one more week so I can give you guys my final review on this hair. This is the Freetress Beach Curl, but I'm not gonna say too much about this hair because I will have a review on this hair, but I'm gonna share with you guys my little wash routine. If you want to see what I do, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become a part of the K-Stylers, as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Oh, hey, kitchen. Whoa, alright, let me relax. Also guys, please excuse my underarms. If you see any hair, I'm gonna get a wax this weekend, so please excuse it. It's natural, okay? Don't come for me, alright? Okay. So to wash my hair, I'm gonna use the JOLICOEUR Green Apple and Aloe shampoo. And then to condition, I'm going to use the Mega Moist conditioner. I'm not going to leave it in my hair for a long time. I'm just going to, you know, put in enough, rub it in a little bit, and then just wash it right out. And what I'm doing is I'm just focusing it on my scalp and on my natural hair, and not so much as the crochet hair. Guys, this is a quick routine. I'm not trying to be here all day trying to wash my hair in this crochet hair. I just want to try to get in my hair and my scalp to do a little scrub, you know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so this is what my hair currently looks like. It is detangled free and it is pretty much like 90% dry. My hair for my side part, it's kind of pretty much shifted back, as you guys can see. Like, it looks rough right now. And I do have one more pack of this hair that I can use to pretty much just catch some of this hair up and just fill in this space that I have right here for my side part. Plus, it's kind of looking a little bit like low and dead, so I feel like if I do put some of the hair that I have left over right here, it'll make it look a lot better. But I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to do my edge. I literally have no more of this edge control left from Style Factor. It is the Style Factor Strong Hold Water Base Pomade, and it is in the lemon candy scent. That's what it's looking like. But pretty much I'm just taking it and applying it to my edges to like sleek my hair down. Like, I literally don't even have a part anymore for my hair. That's how bad it is. Like, you can't even see a part. This is pretty much how I wash my hair and get it look a little bit more decent. Let me try to fluff this up a little bit because it looks a little bit dead, and I kind of just put my hair over this part a little bit so it kind of covers it a little. But like, there's no more hair right here. It's like dead. But this is pretty much what it's looking like right now.